It started with you, then it grew. Now it's also made of them, the people who make it possible. Your business is more than just you. That's why we made QuickBooks Online Payroll do more than just payroll. With simple, automatic tax forms and filing, expert support, HR tools, and benefits, QuickBooks offers full-service payroll designed to help you take care of your people and put more you into your business. Here's how it works. You can set up payroll in just a few steps, or one of our payroll experts can help set it up for you. Then, when payday comes, just review, edit, and approve your team's hours and wages and get an instant payroll preview with all the taxes figured in. With one click, we file and pay your payroll taxes for you. You just ran payroll in less than 5 minutes. Rather spend 0 minutes? Just set payroll to run automatically. With same-day direct deposit, your people get paid on time, and you can hold on to your cash longer. QuickBooks Online Payroll stays on top of compliance, so you don't have to, updating and notifying you whenever tax laws change or filings are due in your state. Payroll experts are here to help you every step of the way. And with tax penalty protection, you're covered, no matter what. But it's not just about simplifying payroll. Track your team's time the easy way. Sync QuickBooks Online Payroll with timesheets. Your employees can clock in from anywhere, and their hours will update automatically. There's also HR and employee tools to help you and your team grow. Talk to an HR advisor about hiring, onboarding, and everything in between. Or access health benefits, workers' comp, and 401k plans for your people. Use QuickBooks Online for bookkeeping. Your payroll data automatically syncs, so your books are accurate and up to date. Whether you're a company of one or a growing team, it's never been easier to take care of your people and your business. QuickBooks Online Payroll, the #1 payroll provider for small businesses.